Hello guys, welcome to Creative Process DIY. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace your ice maker supply line. As you can see, this water line is leaking and this is why I need to replace it. So let's measure how much ice maker water line I need. Measure the distance between refrigerator water connection and shut-off valve and add extra 2 feet. So I decided to buy this PEX ice maker supply line because PEX material is supposed to be better for tasting ice and water. So let's try. I got this ice maker supply line in Home Depot and it cost me $13.98 before tax. Before installing your ice maker supply line, turn off your refrigerator. You can do it by unplugging a power cord. I'm gonna take this tape and I'm gonna tape the power cord to the fridge. So now you can move your fridge without worrying that you can damage a power cord. I need to move a fridge a bit more because I don't have enough space to install a water line. I think this is enough. Let's turn off water. So now I'm gonna take towel and put it under this shut-off valve. Now I'm gonna take my groove joint pliers and I'm gonna disconnect this old water supply line. Now I think I can unscrew it by hand. As you can see, we have here a Teflon tape. We actually need to remove it because this is a compression fitting, and if you use a compression fitting you don't need a Teflon tape. And as you can see, this is why you need a towel on the floor. So this is the tool I'm using to remove Teflon tape. We need to disconnect this water supply line from the refrigerator. To do this, I'm gonna take my 2 groove joint pliers. I'm gonna remove a Teflon tape from the second connection. I'm gonna put all links for the products I used to install this PEX ice maker supply line in the description below. So this ice maker supply line does not require you to install a Teflon tape. As you can see, here are installation instructions. No mention of Teflon tape. So first, let's connect this ice maker supply line by hand. So now I'm gonna take my groove joint pliers and I'm gonna tighten this connection. Remember, do not over tighten. So to tighten the second connection, I need 2 groove joint pliers. Remember, do not over tighten. Now turn on the water and check both connections for leaks. Before checking the connection for possible leaks, I'm gonna take my paper towel and wipe all of the water that we had after we disconnected an old ice maker supply line. And now we can check for leaks. As you can see, we don't have any leaks here. And we don't have any leaks here. Awesome. Now we can move to the next step. Before sliding the fridge into its place, I wanna secure the supply line with a tape to the back of the fridge. Now, when I'm gonna be moving my fridge, I know that the water supply line is not gonna be pinched. Slide carefully the fridge into its place. Plug in the fridge. Discard first 2 glasses of water to remove impurities in water supply system. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.